Okay, using Screencastify. And you'll know Screencastify is installed on your browser when you see this pinkish red, reddish pink, white, whatever, little arrow thingy right there. See that? And this one is on. The red dot means it's recording because I am recording this. Now, when you click on this, you'll get this. I couldn't figure out how to show you starting a Screencastify while recording with Screencastify, but here's what happens. When you click on that, you get this little window right here. And this will ask you, do you want to record the browser tab, the desktop, or the webcam? And I have it on browser tab, so whatever is active is what will be recorded. And you can turn the mic off or the webcam off. That's up to you. But that's what it looks like. And it'll give you a dialog asking you to give permission to use the microphone and the webcam, and you want them to do that. Anyways, up here, this is how you can look at your videos you've recorded. And these are some settings here. Okay, so back to this. Using Screencastify, once you hit record, it'll go 3, 2, 1, and then you're where I am. And you can go ahead and talk about whatever it is you want to do. You could do something live on the internet. You could be clicking through a web page. You could be clicking through maps. You could be showing someone how to do something. Or like in this case, I bring up a slideshow and I could be reading through my slideshow, kind of like when you're giving notes or discussing something in class. You can elaborate on it. You can go on and discuss things. You could even show, like that was a little video clip. You could show your video clip. I don't know if it'll work while I'm screencasting. Maybe it won't. Up here, you can even have, that won't work live. You can go over what you're talking about, record it, and when you're done, you hit stop. There's a limit of 5 minutes on Screencastify. And when you're making little videos for students, they say the maximum time limit I always heard was about 20 minutes. And the younger the student, the shorter that should be. So 5 minutes is probably good. If you're making 4 or 5-minute little videos and you expect them to watch them all in one lesson, that's probably too much. So, but maybe 1 or 2 screencasts in a lesson is appropriate, especially if you're explaining something like math problems, going over some notes, something like that. But you don't want to make them long because people's attention wanders. But so the 5-minute limit, I kind of wish it was 10 minutes, but that's something we have to work with. So to stop, you go back up here and hit that button again. And then see here, you just hit stop.